The overall goal of this experiment is to demonstrate a novel dynamic magnetic domain imaging system with in situ BH measurements and how to use it to link the magnetic domain wall movement with the BH curves.
This method can help answer key questions in the relationship between microstructure and magnetic properties in ferromagnetic materials such as ferritic steels.
The main advantage of this technique is that it enables in situ BH measurement without interrupting the dynamic domain imaging.
The first task is to prepare the rig used for imaging. This is an example of a rig that is ready for use in an experiment. The metallographic samples are visible in this side view. Also visible are the excitation coils. More details can be seen in this schematic. The sample consists of two parts, A and B. Part A is partially encased in a polished surface for domain imaging. Part B is wound by a pickup coil. The rig consists of three parts. The front plane holds Part A. The sample holder holds Part B. A back plate holds a Hall sensor near the pickup coil. Here are the disassembled elements of the rig before the samples are in place. For an experiment, begin by preparing the samples. Machine the two U-shaped parts, A and B, from the steel of interest. Note that the two are slightly different, with Part A having chamfering on a wider bar. Focus on Part A and produce a transparent mount using hot compression mounting. The final thickness of the mount should be 5 to 10 millimeters greater than the height of the sample. Next, work with the mounted sample at a grinding machine. Orient the sample so